Hi guys and welcome to this channel The Literature Time. And today we will be discussing about a very important topic of MEG01 that we have seen with many question papers. So the topic that we are going to discuss today is The Blessed Damsel by D.G. Rossetti. So we will be discussing about the poem's summary. So before we dig in straight, I'll just like to give you a small background that the poem is written by Dante Gabriel Rossetti, and this poem is one of his most successful poem of his career. He even named one of his painting after this, and this poem was republished thrice. Though this poem consists of 24 paragraphs and it is a bit lengthy, but it is not very difficult to understand. So let's dig in straight. Also, the poem's theme is undying love. So the poem is about a woman, a damsel, who has died and wants to be reunited with her lover, who is still on earth and alive. The poem begins with the speaker describing the damsel's body position as she leans out over the edge of the golden bar of heaven, looking downwards on earth where the lover is. The damsel is described as very beautiful. Her eyes are blue and deep as still waters, and she is still holding 3 lilies in her hand, and her hair has 7 stars in it. The speaker goes on to describe how the damsel is dressed. That is, her robe is unclasped and loose around her body. That means that she is wearing a loose robe, and the robe is not decorated with anything other than a single white flower, which was a gift from the Virgin Mary. The speaker also describes the damsel's hair, which is yellow, like ripe corn. We also see that for the damsel, it feels like it has barely passed a day that she has been in heaven. However, she has been dead for 10 whole years. We see that her lover is missing her and imagines her leaning over him so that he can feel her hair on her face. But instead, it turns out that instead of the hair, it is a falling leaf, which also denotes the passing of time. We also see in the poem that the speaker notes that her body heat must have warmed up the gold bar of heaven. That means that the damsel has been leaning over the golden bar for way too long and kept staring downwards on the earth waiting for her lover and musing about them being together. The damsel's lover thinks that he can hear his beloved's voice in bird song and hear her footsteps in the chimes of the bell. Next, the poem states that the damsel and her lover will be reunited really soon as they both are praying to be together. And once they are together, they will go hand in hand and to take the God's blessing. And later, they will lie in a sacred temple in heaven that collects the prayers from earth, and they will see their prayers melt away in clouds. The damsel also plans on asking God if she and the lover can stay together in heaven forever. However, once she has stopped musing, she realizes that her lover has not ascended to heaven, and the poem ends with the damsel weeping and her face covered with her hands. So that's it guys, that's the summary, and this is a new channel and I would really love if you guys support this channel and like, share and subscribe. And also please share it with your friends who are about to give their exams. Also, I will be coming up with new important topics every week. So please hit that subscribe button and thank you so much for watching.